Welcome back to the Daily English Channel podcast.
So good to be here.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily English Channel, your friendly podcast for learning English. I am Emily, your teacher, and with me today, we have our learner, John. Hello, John.
Hello, Emily. I am ready to learn.
That is great, John. Before we begin, a quick reminder, if you like our lessons, please subscribe to the Daily English Channel. It helps us a lot. Today, we will learn about essential English phrases for daily conversations. These are phrases you will hear and use all the time. Are you ready, John?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's start with a very useful phrase. Nice to meet you. We say this when we meet a person for the first time. Listen and repeat. Nice to meet you. John?
Nice to meet you.
Very good. And the response is also, nice to meet you too. Let's practice. Imagine we just met. I will say, hi, John. Nice to meet you. What do you say?
Hi, Emily. Nice to meet you too.
Excellent. So, nice to meet you is for meeting new people. Next phrase, how's it going? This is a casual way to ask, how are you? Listen and repeat. How's it going? John?
How's it going?
Good. The answer is usually, it's going well, or simply, good, thanks. Let's try. I will ask you. Hi, John. How's it going?
Hi, Emily. It's going well. Thanks.
Perfect. So, how's it going is a friendly question. Now, a phrase for when you need help. Can you help me? Listen and repeat. Can you help me? John?
Can you help me?
And you can add a word like please to be polite. Can you help me, please? John, say it with please.
Can you help me, please?
Wonderful. If someone asks you for help, you can say, yes, I can. John, imagine I need help. I will say, John, can you help me, please?
Yes, I can.
Great. This phrase is very useful. Next phrase, excuse me. We use this to get someone's attention or to say sorry when we pass by. Listen and repeat. Excuse me. John?
Excuse me.
Good. Imagine you are in a shop and you want to ask a question. You say, excuse me, where is the milk? Can you say that, John?
Excuse me, where is the milk?
Very good. You use excuse me to start the conversation. Now let's learn how to ask a question about time. What time is it? Listen and repeat. What time is it? John?
What time is it?
Perfect. You can use this phrase to know the time. For example, you can say, excuse me, what time is it? This is very polite. John, say that full phrase.
Excuse me, what time is it?
Excellent. Next phrase, a very simple one. Thank you. Listen and repeat. Thank you. John?
Thank you.
You can also say thanks. It is shorter. John, say thanks.
Thanks.
Good. The answer to thank you is you're welcome. Let's practice. I will give you a book. I say, here is a book. You say, thank you, Emily.
Thank you, Emily.
Then I say, you're welcome. Let's try again. Here is your coffee.
Thank you, Emily.
You're welcome. Great job, John. Now, a very important phrase. I am sorry. We say this when we make a mistake. Listen and repeat. I am sorry. John?
I am sorry.
Good. And you can add for and the reason. I am sorry for being late. John, say it.
I'm sorry for being late.
Excellent. Let's review the phrases we learned today. Greetings. What do we say when we meet someone for the first time?
Nice to meet you.
Good. And a casual way to ask, how are you?
How's it going?
Asking for help. What do you say when you need help?
Can you help me, please?
Getting attention. What do you say to a stranger to ask a question?
Excuse me.
Time. How do you ask what time it is?
What time is it?
Gratitude. How do you say thanks?
Thank you. Or thanks.
Apology. What do you say when you make a mistake?
I'm sorry.
Amazing, John. You remembered all the phrases. You did a great job today.
Thank you, Emily. I learned a lot.
And to all our listeners, thank you for joining us. Remember to practice these phrases every day. Use them in your conversations. This is how you will improve your English. And if you enjoyed this lesson and want more, please subscribe to the Daily English Channel for a new lesson every day. That is all for today. From Daily English Channel, I am Emily.
And I am John.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.